Sometimes when you start, this is closed and you need to reopen the instrument parameters. So you'll open up the instrument and then hopefully this will come real-time analysis will come up. When you open this for the first time though, sometimes the instrument parameters are incorrect. You just want to check to make sure that LC time, that there's some stuff in here. If it's blank, it means that the proper parameters are not uploaded or downloaded. So you want to go up to this folder box in the top left corner, and then you'll go to run files. We don't want this test method. You actually want to go into the Lure 2024 and then select the amino acid folder, the file that we created. And then so this is the method file. We'll open that up and that will load this file into the instrument parameters, and it'll take a little time, but then once we have that going, then you'll be able to run the proper experiment. So you can double check on opening the instrument parameters. You should see that yes, we have the pump is doing the proper things. So once we have that, then we can go to a quick batch, and what we'll do for this next round, we're going to have actually 14 different samples with our GABA and our glutamate derivatized. We can open this up and we want to insert rows. Oops, I want to insert add rows. I want 14 samples total, and that'll make a bunch here. So that'll be, we can go through vial 1, we can go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to load this all up with our samples. I think we'll just inject maybe a few microliters to just make sure that we're kind of seeing some differences here. We'll start with 5 and we'll see how that works, and this is what we'll try to run tomorrow. So I'm going to fill this out. We'll have this ready. If it doesn't work, then we can re-upload the parameters and redo this tomorrow. But this is what we should do. Then once we have this all filled out, then you just hit start. So we're going to have vials 1 through 14. We're going to have our samples of GABA and then glutamate that are derivatized. So those will be, the tray name is going to just be tray 1 for all of these, and then our sample names, these will be the same. The method file, remember, we have to go in and find the correct method, which is the amino acid method. And so we'll just do 5 microliters. Once we have this filled out for all of our 14 samples, then we'll hit start and it should run. So it's going to take a few hours. So just make sure that you're doing this when you have some time to come back and stop the pump. And also we need to stop, so the pump, we want to turn that off here, and then we'll also want to turn the PDA lamp off once we start using it. Otherwise what happens is the lamp will burn out if we wait too long, or if we leave that on overnight or for extended periods of time. The reason we want the pump off is that right now we have a lot of this reagent yet. Our methanol is about halfway only, so we're going to want to kind of fill that up at some point again when it gets a little lower to about 100 mils.